hosted by your very own Shumava and Tushar. And we have a guest today, and I would like him to introduce himself.
Hey, hi guys, Gopal this side. I'm working at Nykaa right now. Prior to this was with Idea and Vodafone Idea. Chartered accountant by profession. That's it.
Let's understand something about your childhood. I guess everyone knows you here. Like we too have worked with you, so we know more about.
He's actually my boss.
You know more.
Yeah.
You know more, but let's understand how you've grown up, where you've grown up, which city, and how has your journey been until here, as you say that you are here at Nykaa. So if you wanted to just understand everything about it.
Okay. So I'm born and brought up in Calcutta, Kolkata. Now Kolkata. When I was child, it was Calcutta then.
You must be very old then.
Not that old. Yes, but I was a completely different person as a child. A lot more mischievous. I
Oh,
guess.
we would like to learn something about that.
Yes, sure.
Probably you guys will not believe. But yes, then again, I did my schooling etc. from APJ School, Park Street. Used to stay there at Howrah.
Okay.
Earlier at Big Bagan, and then we moved to Howrah after a certain point in time. After the schooling, graduation etc. all from Calcutta. Completed my CA. Started my first job there in Calcutta. A couple of years in Calcutta. Thereafter 1 year in Chennai. Post which I moved to Mumbai.
Which year?
Mumbai I moved somewhere in 2007.
In between, you used to live in Canada, so right?
I was there in Canada when I moved to Mumbai in Tatacom, and I had to do a transition.
Okay.
So I was there for 2 months in Canada,
Okay.
doing a transition from Teleglobe to
Right.
India. From Canada to India, Tatacom had acquired Teleglobe, so
Okay.
I was doing that transition for 2 months. I was there. That was the only stint in Canada. Then I was there with Tatacom for 4 odd years. Went to South Africa for some work.
Oh, okay.
11 years.
Like that.
Global.
Mr. Worldwide.
11 years with Idea, Vodafone Idea. I guess
Oh.
that was my longest stint in a particular company.
Okay.
Last 3 years in Nykaa. So that's
So you have spent a good amount of your life in Mumbai as well. So if it
yes. So Calcutta and Mumbai. Well, I've visited 3 metros. Delhi is still to be taped.
so when it comes to Calcutta versus Mumbai, which one would you say comes up first?
Yeah, both has its own charm. Obviously, my friends, my child was there in Calcutta, so I missed Calcutta a lot. In fact, me joining Idea, the main motivation when you change a job, you have a motivation, right? You have a purpose. So the purpose of motivation for me to join Idea was to go back to Calcutta.
Okay.
Telecom had decentralized setups, and Idea had its eastern area headquarters,
Yeah.
Eastern Circle, all finance office at Calcutta.
Okay.
So that was one of my motivations to join Idea Cellular. If you ask me, after a few years, I can probably take a transfer to Calcutta. 2014, there was a big shuffle in the finance heads and the head of finance operations, the controller of a particular circle, you can call it, which was happening there. And I was eagerly pushing my boss to probably send me to Cal. But destiny had something else for me. So he moved to Lucknow, and I took over his position. So
Oh, nice.
that is when I lost hope of moving back to Calcutta.
I know you are a foodie, so I thought ki food will come up first when it
I
comes over
like
here.
my question. Next question was going to be like whenever I have met a person, like I still meet people when I say that I have fallen sick because the weather in Mumbai has become a bit cold. People laugh at me कि मुंबई की क्या ठंडी होती है. So like I was just going to ask you like for you, if I had to ask you a major change when you compare Kolkata to Bombay, I understand food would be one for sure.
Food is for sure. Yeah, either Bombay, I find everything is bread.
Okay.
True. That is actually true.
Whether मतलब, you take all the staple foods here, vada pav, vada pav, then you have dabeli, you have pav bhaji, you have
Hmm.
sandwich. That is what you get
Hmm.
mostly, right?
Hmm.
And I love street food. I don't like to go to big restaurants and eat. Today also, when I go back to Cal, I don't eat at home. I eat street food. I don't like to go to restaurants there.
Okay.
I eat street food. And Calcutta, mein, there was nothing called, at least when we were child, there was nothing called sandwich, etc. available.
Hmm.
Sandwich was there with the Mudiwalas.
Right.
Mudi sandwich. That's it.
Hmm. Okay.
There was nothing else. So we had all different types of food there. So that is what I miss. And every time I go to Calcutta, I ensure that I
Your
grab
favorite
the
food?
street
Your
food.
favorite street food?
Club kachori and
Oh,
sabzi.
damn. That is.
You
actually
two are
true.
also. You are also from Calcutta. You.
Yeah.
He does not eat that.
I don't
Yeah.
eat that. I will usually go for anything non-veg. Club kachori and everything is like veg, so I
So there's
like
always
don't
little
even
veg.
look at it.
So I go to Bada Bazaar one day early morning just to have breakfast.
Actually, when we went to Kolkata for a meeting with some client, so he asked me to come to Bara Bazar, and now Bara Bazar is like very far away from me. So I was like, no, you have your own breakfast. I'll come and meet you at office.
But if I had to ask you, both of you actually, ki, do you like? So now that you are here in Bombay, but if you had to, you had given a choice, would you want to be back at Calcutta or Bombay is good?
I would. I prefer Bombay food, and here's my reasoning.
No, generally, I'm saying
Actually,
not
the
just
thing
for the
is,
food,
he
not just for the
loves.
food,
Yeah, yeah.
for everything. I would say if
Then
you
I
want.
would definitely be in Mumbai. I don't think I'll want
And
to
why
go
do you say so?
like if you ask me career wise, I
Hmm.
won't go back to Kolkata. But if you ask me ki if you want to chill or if you want to retire and stay there, something like stay at some place and have a chill life, then I'll go for Kolkata.
It would be any city other than Bombay then if you
Huh.
want a chill and retired life.
Yeah.
I'm
Yes.
sure
No,
you will
even-
never get that peace here.
That's true. So
Yeah.
exactly. So there's this thing, and if it comes to food, he just said he loves street food, and he has been in Mumbai for like 20 years. He has never been to Mahavir Nagar. I took him to
Oh,
Mahavir
really?
Nagar like 3-4
Yes.
months back.
Like every time I go out here, wherever in Mumbai, 90% of the time you find bread only.
Hmm.
So I was not that fond of bread. And that is why probably I did not venture out street food also in Mumbai. That can be a reason.
Even I didn't know about Mahavir Nagar unless he took me. Like after a cricket game, he took me to Mahavir Nagar. I was like,
So
"Kya-
that
kya
is-
And
street
we
food
also
khana hai?"
went after a
Yeah,
cricket
That
yeah,
is
game.
a veggie paradise. Anyone who's a vegetarian is paradise.
Exactly.
for
So
them.
even I like that. Even though I don't generally go for veg food, I enjoy going to Mahavir Nagar and try different types of cuisine and everything. And Korean food is going crazy right now over there.
Yeah, they have a lot of options.
All
there.
the stalls are of like
Korean
yeah,
noodles.
yeah. We tried Korean noodles. Yeah, so.
Yeah, that's a thing which is up now. I guess everyone.
So
is sending the same
even
thing.
if it comes to food, I'd still prefer Mumbai over Kolkata right now.
And if I had to ask you the same question,
I would go back to Calcutta or Kolkata, whatever you call it. I keep calling it Calcutta.
even I
in my
do
mind.
Bombay. I don't know why,
Ah,
but it's a habit.
that's
fine.
a habit problem. But I'll go back to Calcutta. There are multiple reasons. One is the food there. Second is my entire family is there.
Of course.
My friends are there. So chilling out there is much more happening. It's more frequent, if you ask me, than I chill out in Mumbai. I seldom go out in Mumbai.
Hmm.
Calcutta, I'm never at home.
You, I guess, don't even get time from work then. How would you go out? How would you go out after 9 p.m.? It's a difficult thing then.
But Calcutta, I'm never at home. In fact, during my college days, 3 years in college,
Hmm.
and I don't remember a single day where I would have had both the meals at home.
Okay.
In 3 years, not even a single day, probably I would have had both meals at home. But lunch and dinner,
Hmm.
so at least one would be out. Two can be out, but both at home
Right.
never happen.
But even matlab, he said he has his friends. That's one of his motivation to go back to Kolkata.
Friends,
right?
family,
That's true.
everyone's there. Yeah.
And when it comes to me, I don't have that over there because I went to Kolkata just for my college. So I had my college band, and that's all. And now they are all dispersed. One is in Merchant Navy, another one is in Hyderabad. So
Hmm.
there's no motivation for me to go back. So whenever I used to go back, it was either for exams or some other family.
But I've seen Bombay people don't meet. So we have some school friends here in Bombay,
Hmm.
not far away. I
Hmm.
stay near Oberoi. I have one of my friends staying in Rustomjee close to In Orbit.
Yeah,
Right.
not very far.
We meet only when someone travels from Calcutta. One of our schoolmates come from
Acha,
Calcutta,
otherwise
then
you
we
don't
meet.
meet.
Otherwise, we don't meet.
Well, the thing is, people in Mumbai are too busy with their lives.
Yeah, because
But in Calcutta, if you go and you
Hmm.
just ping in Calcutta for 2 days,
Yeah.
you will find people meeting, coming in.
I guess
People are really
Yeah,
chill.
man.
over-
no.
chill
So
over
I
there.
guess that is a thing with every city. So I was in Ahmedabad for like for for an assignment for almost 5 or 6 months, not straight, but on and off for 6 months. So I realized that people did not have like they did not worry about work after a particular point of time. Let's say it's 6 o'clock or 5 o'clock. That's the last minute that they worked. They were like कि कल देखेंगे अभी बाकी का जो है. There was no pressure as such, and then they were huge foodies. Like they loved going out to eat. So there are a lot of
Yeah.
places to eat in Ahmedabad as well. Again,
Yeah,
famous for their
Ahmedabad
food.
Street food is
Street
also
food,
good.
correct.
Yeah, yeah.
So there as well, the concept was same. They did not worry much about work, and they spent time with their family, with their friends, go out to eat. पीने का तो छुप के करना पड़ता था. But they made sure that they got time off work, and then they had fun. And of course, weekends they would go out and eat. So I guess that is a thing which is not there in Bombay alone,
Right.
or
yeah.
maybe some other metro city also it would be the same case. But I guess in other cities like Indore also, as I say, I don't think so that case is there.
Yeah. People in Mumbai are just too busy.
Busy.
and- yeah. Too
I guess
busy.
the travel time is so high, people
That's
don't want
actually
to
true.
travel also.
I
One
hate
more
that.
reason,
Oh.
see, my office was in Worli or
Hmm.
Kalina for a long time. So after spending 2 hours traveling one way for 5 days, you don't feel like going out on a Saturday.
That's what, because you're tired traveling for
Yes.
a simple half an hour journey would also take more than 1 hour sometimes,
Yes.
depending on the traffic.
So that's one of the things that I don't like about Mumbai. You have to spend like 20% of your life in
Travel.
traveling.
That's what.
Matlab, it's just not something that sits right with me. So I don't know. But ठीक है.
But otherwise, you are happy with Bombay.
Yeah. I'm
I guess
very much
Mumbai is a city where you can come from outside, chill for few days, and then go back. You'll like Mumbai. So when I was there in Calcutta in childhood, I came to Bombay once. I liked it. Nothing to do, no travel, no routine. Come out, chill, go back. That is what when you like Mumbai. When you are staying here, working and doing the 2 hour travel daily, then you stop.
So what would your ideal Sunday look like then? Matlab, when you are not working or anything, what would you do?
Depends on where I am. If I'm there back in Calcutta, probably I'll be out chilling with friends or family somewhere, doing something or the other. Not at home, definitely. In Mumbai, probably I would be watching something on an OTT platform
That's all.
or taking a nap.
Yeah, you do have very long weekdays.
Yeah, you would need
I
some
catch up
time
on
off,
sleep.
But if like you said, you will spend time on OTT. So is there a show or movie which you have recently watched which you think was a very good one?
Recently, I keep watching something or the other. Last one I watched Kota Factory again. I like season 1 and season 2.
Okay.
Season 3 somehow did not go that well with me, but yes.
I know
That's the
show,
last one.
actually.
Even I haven't, but that show is a very good show. is
That
what I
came
know.
out when I was in school, I think. Kota Factory 1.
I watched it pretty late. It would have
So
come
people
out.
will
I
guess
watched it
your
after
age
the
now.
season 2 was also popular.
It would be easy to guess his age now.
now everyone will know your age, boss.
No, we talked about the age.
I got my clip.
This guy is so finicky about his age and he's given it public.
It's
So no,
I'm not
so
finicky
I'll-
actually.
No. So
Yes.
it's a thing that, see, I understand. Let's not talk about your age, but you look too young, which is a very good thing when a person says to you, okay, even till date, if you go out and someone asks you for an ID card before drinking,
Yeah.
it's a huge thing that you should be proud of, that you still look so young.
Yeah, that's very flattering. I
Yeah.
tell that to it is
In
flattering.
office, people ask whose kid has come to office today.
Oh yeah, that happened. It was during a board meeting.
I know this story. You should be happy. I still know people from my office who met him for the first time, and then I've told them that he is not the same age as you're thinking, and they're also shocked. Really, like he doesn't look that age,
Yeah.
which is a very good thing, I feel.
Just to let everyone know, I'm not 30.
Do you want me to tell them your age?
I am 27.
Oh, finally! Finally! he said
Boss,
it.
what is
What
this?
is wrong?
What is wrong with you?
There's nothing wrong with me.
First time.
You had something today?
No, it's non-alcoholic, by the way.
Non-alcoholic. Yeah, that's what. The first time you've told your age to everyone.
Because I am letting it go now. I have been stuck with it. Like it's something
Or
that
are you flattered by how I have praised you that you look so young?
No, that you don't need to do that. But yeah, I think I need to let it go, and it's all right. I am 27.
Ah, nice.
So during back in my industrial training time, I was so finicky about my age because people around me were quite younger than me.
Younger than okay.
Yeah. So and they were clearing CA and everything. So it didn't sit right with me. Not right with me, but it did. You did feel a bit demotivated and all those things. Like why did it take so much time and all? Like I started my CA journey in my second year, right? So that thing also caught up, and as well as the कि मेरे को बोला गया था कि ITCC दोनों हो जाने के बाद start your articleship, तो बहुत उधर late हो गया था. So that's why I was quite I wasn't very comfortable saying my age with around people because people will be like, you at this age अभी भी तुम CA final कर रहा है, अभी भी तुम ये कर रहा है, and all those things. So that's why that's the only thing.
But that's a plus in Mumbai. Nobody's interested on what you're doing, what you're not doing, which is
It
very
is-
different in Calcutta. Everybody will keep inquiring about you.
Nudging you, क्या हो रहा है?
Nudging
But
you,
back
क्या
in
चल रहा है,
Kolkata,
नहीं चल रहा है.
25, if you are becoming a CA, it's fine. Like people become a CA after 27, 28. But in Mumbai, everyone is coming from all around India, right? Even if you look at Prachi, she's like 28, 29. She has become a senior manager by now. And if you look at me, I'm 27 and I've just started my career like 2 years back. So that was something that was like that used to bother me. But abhi I'm like, it's all right.
But it's okay. I don't.
Yeah.
I don't feel so. Let's be honest. Like I took almost 3 attempts to clear my final CA. I saw people clearing who were there with me since college, who started with me together. I have seen them clear before me. There would have been times where I would have felt so bad that looking at other people just clear next to me, but I'm still stuck there.
Right.
You feel bad at a point, but you know that once you clear, you're going to be someday at par or above them. If you are there below them, it could be that it would only be for some time. After a point of time, if you are good at what you've done, you're going to reach a very good point in your life.
Yeah, that's so. Before I went for my exam, so for my study leave, I came to Gopal and talked to him for like a proper 1.5 hours. He sat me down. He told me about his CA life, CA story. He told me about his uncle's CA final story, and he kind of motivated me. He even went this far and told me, "Ki you have a job here. Don't worry about it. We will always like." Like
Be there, support you, everything.
So that was one of the major factors that helped me a lot clearing my CA final on my first attempt. Like 2.5 months I had to do the entire syllabus and everything. So one of the motivation was that, and another one was कि मेरे को और I don't want to go through this all over again. एक बार में let's
I guess
complete
that's the
everything.
main
No,
thing
but
of
it was a complete different journey with him. While other trainees were asking for leaves, this guy was there in office for the whole night till mid-August. People were asking 3 months leave. Can we extend that? And this guy was in office even in August. We were having a quarter close during that time. I guess 14th August board meeting. Whole night this guy was sitting in office.
Because it was fun.
But
it was fun.
well, I'm just trying to see when I compare this guy with other trainees, the kind of commitment which he had. There is a board meeting, come whatsoever, I have to complete this job and then only
Then
go.
go to the next
So
one.
as a trainee, having that commitment, especially when you are approaching your finals, it was a completely different stuff which I saw when I compared him to his peers.
Nice thing. But do you like you've been through it and you're also studying for CFA now, but that pressure gets onto you just when your exams are nearing.
Which pressure?
The exam
There are a lot
pressure.
of pressure. When exams
So like
are
he
near.
said that August you were chill for a November exam.
No, during that time also I had a lot of pressure, and I made a mistake back then. I didn't do my advanced ITT. till then, and I didn't know this, but I had to apply for the CA final form before certain date, and
Ha,
before that you
correct.
had to complete both your ITT
Yeah,
and
correct.
OTT. So I
Otherwise, you're
did my
not
OTT.
eligible, right?
I for 2 days I wasn't eligible, but luckily they extended the timeline and
Oh,
I
lucky
completed.
you.
And I filled the admit form on the very last day just after the class ended. I filled up my form. Like
Okay.
I got the provisional admit card, and then the result came, and I got the proper admit card. But yeah, it was though I was talking to Hiren about this, and he was like, "The God is in your like on your side. Please utilize this." So I think so. Yeah, I had a lot of supportive people back then as well as right now. But yeah, so it was like, oh yeah.
As you were saying, you shared your CA journey with him. Do you mind sharing it with us as well?
No issues. So I cleared my CA in second attempt,
Okay.
and in the first attempt, can you just guess in which subject I flunked?
Which group are you saying?
Don't bother about group, just guess. I'll subject.
Okay, is it the easiest subject and which subject?
Just guess.
Okay.
That's the
Guess.
game. You have to
That's
Okay,
guess.
okay. Take accounting.
Yeah.
And he's finance controller.
So as he asked me that question, I figured वही होना है कि finance controller clear नहीं हुआ account.
Never give up, kids.
You never know you are going to ace in that subject later, which is what he's doing now.
Yeah, he's the finance controller of Nike.
And that was the only attempt which probably I put in everything. I was not going out, I was not venturing out, I was just studying, confined to home for two odd months. And then when the results came, I said, was nothing doing, I'm not going to leave my personal life for this.
Okay.
The next attempt was in November. We have Durga Puja in Calcutta. 4 nights I was out whole night. October mein,
Okay.
mid-October. November was my exams. 4 night, whole night I was out. I did not leave a single thing for the next attempt. And it went through. Your probably state of mind or whatever you call, the pressure was off.
Yeah, that
Even he is an accidental CA. He started his CA journey because his friends were doing CA.
I guess that's a journey for everyone.
Not for me.
मेरे लिए तो ये था.
I guess there
मेरे लिए ये
were
था.
2 things to add.
मेरे लिए ये था.
After 12th, I was asked to either study or probably join my dad's business.
Okay.
I went there for a couple of days and I thought, nah, too boring for me.
क्या था business सर अगर जानते?
The business is still there. It's of industrial meters. So we're traders there. We
Okay.
buy and sell. So industrial meters, boring. Sir, I was not finding it too happening. And as I told, I was different beast altogether during my childhood.
We will come to that.
We'll
इसके
come
बाद.
to that.
So I did not like it. So क्या करना है यार? Everybody is doing CA. चलो, let's do CA. In fact, when the exams were approaching for foundation, I was not prepared. I was wondering. In fact, we joined CS also. So CS exam was before CA. So I was wondering कि यार, why should I even give the exams? होगा नहीं. तो my dad said कि यार एग्जाम नहीं देगा तो क्या होगा, नेक्स्ट टाइम देना पड़ेगा, देगा तो फेल होगा तो भी नेक्स्ट टाइम भी देना पड़ेगा. देयर इज नो डिफरेंस इन योर लाइफ व्हिच इज गोइंग टू हैपन वेदर यू गिव दिस एग्जाम और नॉट. So go and give, it is an experience. ठीक है. तो that time I went to see the center and I was a foodie, so I was looking for food joints in the center. So we found a good food joint near the center. So yes, I
Okay.
can come for 4 days. So that was a motivation to give the exam. And me and one of my school friends, he's currently the head of GST in Airtel. So we were together. So we went to the center together. After every exam, he will come and he will ask, "Iska kya likha hai? Iska kya likha hai?" Normal check. And I'll tell him something and he says it is wrong.
सब wrong है.
But then when the results came out, we cleared. Both of us cleared. although I scored more
एक
than
मिनट
him.
मैं पूछना तो उसका रॉन्ग होगा ना, वो कैसे क्लियर होगा अगर उसने आपको
I
सारा
scored
रॉन्ग.
more than him.
ओके ठीक है, बट ही आल्सो क्लियर.
Yeah, he also
ओके ठीक
cleared.
है, मैं सोचा ना तो उल्टा होगा तो बहुत अच्छा होता.
Same was there with foundation. क्या करना है नहीं करना है. So then I planned. That is when I started planning probably. Foundation in our times there were two subjects, mathematics and economics, where people used to probably
Hmm.
go down. Mathematics I had no issues.
Hmm.
I know if I attempt 50 also, I'll get 49.
Hmm. Okay.
Damn.
So I was confident in mathematics. I was not.
It's a thing with Bengali people. Like, he is not Bengali, but he was born in Bengal. But take care.
So mathematics I had no, and we had pure mathematics in class 11 and 12. So I'd
Hmm.
taken maths as an option
Okay.
in my 11th and 12th. So I was very confident on
Hmm.
mathematics. Economics paper I started studying,
Hmm.
and that time there were 4 chapters for microeconomics, if I remember, and rest was all macro. Macro were all
Hmm.
numbers.
Hmm.
Micro was all concept. I concentrated on 4, and I figured out that if I study these 4,
Hmm.
I'll be able to attempt at least 80 to 90 marks. That were the
Okay.
options, the way it was structured, the paper.
Okay.
Probably you can look at that, but that's how it was structured.
Mhm.
And again, the way I studied, if I attempt those 80, I'll clear.
Hmm.
That happened.
But you also used to teach during that time, right?
Yes. So again,
nice.
after 12th, there were 2 options, right? To
Yeah.
join that business or studying. Along with study, though, then you sit at home and study. And as I said, I was not that kind of a guy. So to venture out, you need money. For money, you need to do something.
Hmm.
That is when I started teaching. So my aunt was there. She used to teach. There was one of my friend's elder sister who used to teach in the same building.
Hmm.
So they helped me get a couple of students at that point in time to start with. So I started teaching kids of standard 4 and 5 at that time.
Hmm.
And by the time I was completing my graduation, I was teaching students of foundation or BBA,
Nice.
all types. So
I think teaching is a skill. Even we talked about.
I used to enjoy that. In
Yeah.
fact,
Yeah, even I do.
if you ask me today, I regret I should have chosen that as my career.
Right.
At that point in time, it would have been a different.
So if you went a CA, you
Stuff.
would have gone with the teaching path. Like you would have been a teacher.
With C also I could have done it.
Mhm.
That time probably teaching was not taken up that seriously, at least in
Yeah, now it's a
the
different
way
thing. Hmm.
we were brought up.
Hmm.
But yes,
You can still do it.
I don't know. Yeah,
No, you do take sessions
you need
with.
to. So you need to study to teach, right? You cannot only teach,
Hmm,
right?
true.
Now, see, I can teach something, or I can take sessions on something which I'm doing,
Mhm.
right? So for those things, I keep talking to you guys, and it's not only teaching one way; it's learning also. I learn from you guys also. But if I have to teach, then I have to first start studying again.
Right.
And you need time for that. So I'm not getting that time for sure.
Which we came to know sometime back. But as you were saying that you were very, let's say, mischievous during childhood.
Yes.
I would put it
Don't
like he
ask
was
too much about
rowdy.
Rowdy. So if I had to ask you, let's say something which you would remember from your childhood still that you would have done, for which you would have gotten a huge scolding from your parents, something like that, or the mischievous thing which you would have done which you remember right now.
Lot of things there. I don't know. So
What comes to your mind?
there are a
Something
lot of
which
incidents.
we
so-
would listen to all.
We have a lot
No,
of
yeah.
time.
Then we'll have to sit once again for another day.
That's fine. Part 2.
But like we were going from Kedarnath to Badrinath, I guess, in a car.
Once again, where this is when you were very small? Oh,
Very small. I don't know. Standard 6, 7
Okay.
types.
okay, go ahead.
Going from Kedarnath to Badrinath in a car. There was probably some landslide or something. Road was blocked. Every car was standing. So we were there in car for half an hour. After some time, I just opened the car, took my younger brother, and there was a hill. We went up the hill.
Oh, damn. That's dangerous.
Oh, really?
I
Took
would.
my younger brother, went up the hill. My parents were suddenly searching for us.
Check out.
दो
Kid slide.
Then there was a person, we used to call him B Kaka.
Hmm.
He was working at our house from probably before we were born. My
Okay.
dad was probably small. So he was also there with us.
Hmm.
Then he was rushed. He looked around, found us at the top of the hill. And we came back.
मार पड़ी क्या उसके बाद?
हाँ, मेरा भी यही क्वेश्चन था अगला कि घर जाके मारा है या वहां पे मारा है?
होटल
I
में
think होटल में मारा. I thought उधर ही मारेगा.
तो तू चल घर चल देख.
मेरा मम्मी होते तो उधर ही मार देते मेरे को.
ऐसे हुआ था. We used to go to Victoria to play cricket.
Right.
So one fine day we had fixed a match. So I was in APJ. There was one of my building friends who was in Park English. The school was in the same building. Like
अच्छा, okay.
first floor, second floor, and fourth floor was with APJ, and third floor was with Park English.
Oh, okay.
So we just fixed a
Okay.
we just fixed a match with this guy Rajiv's schoolmates.
Hmm.
School guys for Sunday in Victoria. So we went for that match.
Hmm.
Morning somehow both the teams could not find each other.
Okay.
So what we did was आए तो खेलना तो है ही है, तो we
Hmm.
started playing different matches.
Hmm.
And while playing we collided with
Each
each other,
other.
couple of players. So अरे आया है, yes, what is happening? अभी तो मैच चल रहा है, let's see. So I guess that first match got over around 12 or so.
Hmm.
And thereafter we said, yeah, we'll have to play. Because that was a challenge, right?
Hmm.
And it was a 100 rupee challenge, but 100 rupees was big for us that time.
Hmm.
So we'll play. अब इस time पे बोला हाँ we'll play a 9 over or 8 over game.
Hmm.
We sat, we played, and then by the time we reached home, it was like 6 o'clock in the
Oh,
evening.
बाप
No phones, nothing, so nobody was aware.
Hmm.
All the parents were calling each other. कहाँ है किसी को कुछ पता नहीं है.
कोई इन पे तो नहीं गया.
We were coming back and we were enjoying. We had won that game, so we were
Hmm.
enjoying. मस्ती करते करते we were coming back, and when we were entering a complex,
Hmm.
couple of my mother and one more, they were going out.
Hmm.
We're saying we are going to the police station to put report that you guys are missing.
Missing. अरे बाप रे. बाप रे.
I had it for the first time when I came to Mumbai, dal khichdi, and I kind of loved it. I used to order dal khichdi from Amar Juice Center, I think, almost every day. Back then, I didn't have a cook as well at my PG,
Hmm.
so I had to order from outside only. So I used to order in dal khichdi and used to eat that. But mostly because everything else was expensive. But
What would be for you?
Butter chicken. Butter chicken is my comfort food. Hands down.
okay, so KFC does count then.
Why butter chicken and KFC are different?
Still, it's chicken.
Huh? So I'm not saying I did not react
No,
to chicken. I
okay.
reacted because it is not something which is like a.
Meal,
Then if
meal?
I would have asked this question to someone, they would have given me an answer like a Chinese or a North Indian kind of thing. You
Right.
gave me KFC, which is something different. So that's the reason I reacted that way.
Right. Take care.
For me,
I'm not that unhealthy, to be very honest, but take care.
Yeah,
I do like KFC. It tastes good.
we can have that same debate which we had some time back. I guess you would keep quiet then.
No, thanks.
But for you, it is vegetarian. No, sorry, non-vegetarian food over vegetarian.
No, actually, I would go for dal khichdi.
Oh,
It is like comfort food. बोलने से dal khichdi is the proper comfort food that one can have. Yeah. Not fuchka though. definitely not
surprising,
fuchka.
surprising, but I'll take it.
Yeah.
I'll take it.
But you didn't have Calcutta ka fuchka. That's the thing.
I have not been to Calcutta.
You
Actually.
should go to Calcutta.
You should go.
Yeah. If you are a foodie, you should go to Calcutta and go to College Street.
Okay.
उधर का since you are non-vegetarian, College Street का street food you will love. In Bara Bazaar, it's mostly veg because of
So he does not go there. He does
I
not go
don't do
there.
that.
He doesn't go there.
My mother used to take me there because.
But in fact, Calcutta, if you ask me, they have these stalls for chow mein and rolls, right?
Hmm.
There also you love the chow mein there.
Exactly.
Okay.
College Street is kind of famous for their chow mein only.
Okay.
And their books, obviously, but
Hmm.
chow mein.
Ani, I'm sure कि if I'm going to Calcutta, I'm going to have a lot of street food. That's for sure. क्योंकि it's famous for that, I guess.
Yeah, it
People
is.
talk about it whenever someone goes. I
Sweets
know.
and street food. Sweets are
And
ultimate.
food is very cheap there, by the way. इधर आके रोल के लिए 120, 150, 100 भी नहीं, 200 रुपए spend करने is like, I feel
So what is the
it-
cost
it-
there?
60, 70.
Oh.
Like double egg chicken roll will be 60 rupees. So
Proves the point that Mumbai is too costly.
it is.
Then you said childhood you've played a lot of cricket also.
Yes.
If I had to ask you one sport which you love, is it going to be cricket or some other sport?
Cricket and cricket, mostly we used to play cricket and badminton.
Badminton. Oh yeah. He wanted to go with us, by the way, for badminton.
Oh, sure. He's found his new love for badminton.
I always liked badminton.
But you've started playing after a very long time.
I have been playing every game after a very long time.
Same here.
Yeah.
After leaving Calcutta, I don't recollect playing much.
I stayed in Calcutta for 4-5 years. I didn't play a single game over there because I didn't have friends, right? I told you.
Oh.
Everyone left. I only had my
Calcutta, we used to play like daily.
Hmm.
Cricket was to like whether you put it at a floor just outside our houses.
Hmm.
There was a terrace. We used to play at terrace. We used to play in the society. Weekends we used to play in the ground. Terrace पे we used to have badminton also. But
Oh,
it
how do you
was-
play badminton
Ah.
in terrace?
Hawa.
So cover it through
Okay.
tirpal
वो
and
difficulty level
हाँ.
बढ़ा दी थी उन्होंने. They'll be थोड़ा wind.
Advance.
हाँ,
night
wind
time.
था.
So we used to play badminton. Terrace पे cricket खेलते थे.
हम लोग भी winter में every winter at 9 p.m. So we used to live in a flat, right?
Hmm.
We still live in a flat. So I had my friends all over in the flat as well as all in the neighborhood as well. So we used to come down after dinner and used to start playing badminton during winters from 9 p.m. And it used to go till like 1, 2 a.m. Like our parents had to call and like, "Aaja sone, aaja abhi."
So sport was something like matlab, it never left. In fact, I remember even if there was some exam on Monday and Sunday I wanted to go out to play. Saturday night my parents were saying,
Sorry.
so while playing I got hurt and there was a big cut here. I was bleeding. Next day was my exam. I was worried कि घर में क्या बोलना है, cut तो हुआ ठीक है. Sunday था तो we were not finding doctors. Theatre road में somewhere we found a doctor. Went to hospital. And looking at the cut, that guy, the doctor said कि इस पे तो stitch लगाना पड़ेगा नहीं होगा. So stitch which I don't have that much time for that time, and I cannot have stitches here. खून बंद करने के लिए कुछ
कुछ
करो,
और
छोड़ दो.
कुछ और नुस्खा बता.
बाकी I will
के डर से,
see.
by the way.
बाकी we'll see.
हाँ.
तो उसने कुछ तो मेडिकेशन किया या बैंडेज वैंड लगाया एंड अभी वो वर्किंग कि घर कैसे जाए, बैंडेज लेके तो जा नहीं सकते हैं क्या.
हाँ.
ठीक है, बैंडेज लगवा था. घर पहुंचने के ठीक पहले बैंडेज हटा के कैप वैप पहन के घर में घुसा. सीधा आई वेंट टू द वॉशरूम, हैड अ बाथ, वेंट बैक टू द रूम, शट माय रूम कि मैं पढ़ाई कर रहा हूँ.
एकदम सेफ किला है. It's nice. But now that you've having such a busy life, I'm sure you're not getting that much time for sport.
Definitely not. Long time not played much.
But go on.
No, you go ahead. No.
No, so I was saying, but you could, if possible, take out some time over weekends and let's say try defeating him in badminton or cricket, any sport. I guess it's very easy to defeat him in all the sports which you try. He can do that, by the way.
So badminton we can try.
Yeah.
Cricket generally Mumbai again it is tough, right?
True,
Yeah,
exactly.
because there's no
I-
space here.
so I
There's
don't.
no space
I'm not too fond of turf cricket to be
I was
frank.
getting to that only. I have played I've played overarm cricket my whole life. I have never played like this thing. Even if it.
No, I played underarm because in the floor you cannot play overarm,
Yeah, right.
right? So we played underarm, we played overarm. But again, turf cricket, but just stand. It's like T20, just stand and keep hitting sixes, right? That's not probably my cup
That
of
too,
tea.
matlab in
Straight.
Just the straight. You
Ah.
don't have
you
any
can't
other
play the other
direction.
strokes. So I had never, like, I had 3-4 grounds just beside my flat. So we used to play every day.
Hmm.
And we used to play like 22 25
Hmm.
people used to come and used to play cricket. So I have never been to a situation where I had to play tough cricket, unless it was like during covid I used to play a lot of garage cricket. But even during that time we used to play overarm, in the sense that we used to throw the ball overarm.
Hmm.
But that was it. We never played underarm. So idhar aake I experienced underarm for the first time, and it was very difficult, at least for me, to adapt to that, because you only had to hit straight or you had to ball like this.
But I guess if you've played once on a ground, then if you're made to play on a turf, you're going to hate it.
So I
That's
don't
the-
like tough
true.
cricket much.
But the problem is in Bombay, you don't have any,
Yeah, any
space.
space. That's but wherever we go to play cricket, we have seen a ground over there in the like in front of that school. Last time we went.
So
to-
there would be public grounds, but the thing is that there are so many people playing because there are very limited grounds.
So it
you
will
would-
end up being like tough
But
cricket
that's
only.
there everywhere, Tushar. So I remember we used to leave at 4 o'clock in the morning just to block pitches. And
people
after
seem
a
to say.
certain point in time, first we used to carry torches, then we used to take a bike, right?
हाँ.
So bike का light जला के headlight जला के we used to search pitch किधर है,
Oh,
so that you can put the
At 4 a.m.
stick at the right place.
Oh, Baba.
At 4 a.m. So
Ah.
before your school.
That was the only thing for which I used to get up early.
I guess this is the thing with me also. Like the love for any sport, maybe. Like I still till date, if you tell me to get up for cricket at 5, I would get up. If you tell me to get up for studies, I won't. If you tell me to get up for something else, I won't. But for cricket, I've done that many a
Studies,
times.
I could not study in the morning. If I get up in the morning and study, I used to sleep. So I used to study at night.
You have something to say?
Yeah, he suggests me to study in the morning so that I can stay back late and work.
But I could not study in the morning.
Then we should not talk about it more, I guess. There would be questions later that you would have for him. But you've changed yourself from a night person to a morning
No, I
person,
am
or
still
are you
both.
still in the process of
No, I'm still both. I wake up
Yeah,
in the morning
again,
and study.
my point to you was, you said that you're wasting a lot of time in the evening because by the time you reach home, you get tired. Then you watch TV, you have your food, you have your bath, and then you study after 2.5, 3 hours. You save that time. I was just
Yeah, I
telling you
know.
that.
I'm still wasting that time. I still go home, take a bath, watch YouTube. But yeah, but I still try to manage like both the times. Like I don't wake up at 5 anymore. Instead of that I wake up at 6:30 and study for 3 hours, and sham ko jaake I study for 2 hours. But exam are easily, otherwise I wouldn't.
I could never study in the morning.
Yeah, me too. Neither.
Even during your finals.
Yeah, I was always studying.
I
at
used
night.
to wake up at 5. I was
No,
like
so
other level
exam
con-
days I woke up.
Not even
days I
exam
woke
days,
up-
for the
I used
last
to go to
month.
sleep at 5.
Oh no.
It was like I used to study the whole night. My mom used to get up. She used to come around 5. That is the time I used to go to sleep.
Yeah.
One day again,
everything.
I was studying at night, and my aunt was there. So she suddenly asked me, "क्या time हुआ है?" मैं 4:30 बजा है. She got up. She went. She had a bath. I just went and slept. It was 2 o'clock at night. I just went and slept.
So there were no repercussions in the morning for that.
पता चला 2:30 को इनको उठाया गया कितना बजे Nice, he's done a lot of things back then look like that he would have done
No,
so many-
if I like see him now and think he used to do things like this, एकदम match नहीं होता.
Okay, Gopal, we would like to ask you, how did you enjoy being on our show, and any closing remarks if you have any.
No
remarks.
closing
Not
remarks,
close,
but yes, I enjoyed it a lot. A lot of childhood memories have come up, a bit nostalgic there, but yes, I liked it. Good concept. Continue this with many more guys. Probably we'll come to know the funny part of many other people.
Yeah.
through this channel.
Yeah, so that's
That's
what
also-
yeah,
yeah.
that's what we had thought of also. Like we would like to talk to people and get to know more about, let's say, their childhood, their personal lives, and try to find out what else do they do or what have they done long back. Like we came to know about
You
you.
want to know the
Completely
real
two
person.
different
Yeah,
persons.
yeah. Like people would be seeing a serious kind of version of that person, I guess, but you don't know how that person is behind the scenes, and that's what we've come to know today. It was lovely having you.
Yeah,
Thanks a
thank,
lot.
thank you so
Thanks
much
a
for
lot.
your
Thanks
time.
for
We know
having me on the show.
how busy
Yeah.
you are, so yeah, thank you for finding out some time for us and
No,
to do
yeah.
this. Yeah.
Thanks.
Thanks.
Thank you.